How to change your phone number in TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually change your phone number in TikTok. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First of all, you simply want to make sure to update your TikTok app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box, type in TikTok and go ahead and simply tap on the update button to update the app to the latest version. Once you are done updating, I'm going to simply open it. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are basically logged into your account. And after you are logged in, what you can do is from the bottom right hand side of the menu, tap on your profile icon to go to your profile page. Once you tap on your profile page, on the top right hand side of the screen, tap on the three lines icon which you see. As you tap on the three lines icon, what you can do is from the bottom option, you can simply select the option that says settings and privacy. So simply tap on settings and privacy. As you tap on settings and privacy, you're basically going to be taken to this page right over here. And what you can do is simply tap on the option which says manage account at the top of the screen. As you tap on manage account, here you'll be able to see a list of multiple options, and you can go ahead and you can see this is our current phone number. And if you want to change your phone number in TikTok, you would basically need to have access to this current phone number. If you don't have access to it, then you would have to reset it. So simply tap on it once and you can see the option which says change your phone number. So you can simply tap on change your phone number right over here, and then it says just to use this phone number, tap on it. A code is going to be sent to this current phone number, so you want to make sure you have access to it. Once done, it is actually going to verify your number, and now it is asking us to enter a new number. So go ahead and simply enter a new number which you would actually like to use. Once you enter that new number, tap on send code, and it is also going to send code to your another number which you've actually written. Once you're done and once the verification process is complete, you can see our new phone number has successfully been added. This is a very simple way on how you could very easily change your phone number in TikTok. We hope you guys like this video. If it did help you in any way, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.